last one's in. Last one's in, first one's out. Well, the sun's in the way. We'll have to wait for them to... So they've jumped out of the plane, kiddos.
Now I've lost them.
Don't you want to see them land? Don't you want to make sure they come down?
They jumped out straight
Oh,
over.
yeah, okay, I see them now.
Okay, they're right in the sun, unfortunately. Can't take
See
the
that?
video.
Yeah. Take those sunglasses right there, and between Graham and Clark. Oh, look at them all. There's 1, 2. It is. They're right in the sun.
I see them.
Yeah. Okay, that one just did the loop, so that might be.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, but that looks like one guy.
Yeah, it does.
Well,
That guy just did a loop.
They may all be singles.
Oh, no, there's 2 people on that one.
Which one? The orange
The
one?
blue one there. No, one guy. Sorry. I thought I saw it.
This one might be the daddy, but still with the orange. Because they flipped it one time. And it looks like 2. We'll see when they're closer. Someone said Yahoo.
If you are here for a random data, you have not signed a paperwork.
See them? See, one of those is your mommy and one of those is your daddy.
And I still have a hiccup.
You still have the hiccups, huh?
Hiccup. But this one's on mine, Daddy. Come on. Come on.
It's 2, son. Where'd you put your sunglasses? Is there another pair up there for your sister?
No.
Give those to your sister then. Well, here. Here, put this on. That's Stacy. You heard Stacy?
Yeah.
So there's, that's Stacy.
There's your dad. No, this side of the flags.
Nice job.
My goggles started coming up, so I couldn't keep my eyes
Did you
open.
see Daddy? Did you see Daddy flying all over the place, spinning around?
I was spinning too. I
On
figured you were
the
there.
free fall? Were you spinning?
I think so. Well, it was hard to tell because my goggles, honestly, like they didn't stay down. They kept coming up, so I couldn't see very well.
Oh, it was cold. It was cold up there.
Yeah.
You see all my
Well,
stuff?
you've got raccoon eyes.
Yeah, Mama Jump. Did you see me? I saw you from the air. Hi. Yeah, it was cool.
I'm getting the permagranate.
Orange. That's right. I did.
Pomegranate. Nice.
Dada was red and white.
And what did Stacy have?
I don't know. I didn't see Stacy.
I have
Stacy was behind
I was
me.
the second person down.